Hey guys, in this video, I'll guide you through how to play Brawl Stars on PC. Alright, so let's begin with the video. First of all, to download LD Player 9, simply click on the Download LD Player 9 button. This will take you directly to the download page. From there, follow the straightforward steps to install LD Player on your device. The process is quite simple and you can easily do it on your own. Once LD Player is installed, you'll have two options for accessing apps. The first option is to use the LD Store. If you prefer not to use Google Play, you can browse the available apps in LD Store. For instance, you can search for games like Brawl Stars and install them directly from LD Store. Just click Install, wait for the app to download, and it will be ready to use. Alternatively, if you prefer using Google Play, you can search for and install your desired apps through the Play Store within LD Player. Either way, the installation process is simple. Wait for the app to load and download, and you're all set to start using it. So that's basically how to play Brawl Stars on PC. So that's all for this video. If you find it helpful, consider subscribing and giving this big thumbs up. And I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks.